Welcome back, Odooers. It's good to see you again. In almost every record in Odoo, you'll find the chatter, either at the right side or the bottom, depending on your screen size. The chatter displays a timeline of activity, including when the record was created, stage changes, and more. You can also use it to log internal notes or send messages directly to your clients. So let's jump into the Stealthywood database and see what the chatter is all about. Let's start off on the CRM dashboard, and we're going to open up our lead for quote for 12 tables. Now, most records in Odoo share the same layout. We have the main record details on one side, and then we have the chatter on the other. The chatter is where you'll find a timeline of activity, such as field changes, any important notes, messages, even scheduled or completed tasks. You can even react to any entry with an emoji. For example, I can react to this one from Jose. Or we can even save it for later using the star icon, which will save that entry to our starred folder in the Discuss app. And here in the top right of the chatter, we have a magnifying glass so we could search for messages. We have a paperclip so we can attach any files, and we can even manage any followers with this follower icon. So to keep my coworker Jose updated, I'm going to add him as a follower. So I'll click this followers icon, click add followers, and then simply type in Jose, select him, and click add followers once again. Now Jose will get notified whenever there's an activity on this record. Welcome aboard, Jose. And if I reopen this follower list, I can see him now added to it. And I also have a pencil icon so I can edit any notification settings if needed. And since I'm the salesperson, I'm already automatically following this record. And if I wanted to unfollow it, I could just click unfollow. However, I'm going to click out of this because I want to stay subscribed. And if we look back down into the chatter, I can see that Jose left me a message regarding to send the product catalog to Will. Thanks, Jose. I can do that right now, straight from the chatter. All I have to do is click the send message button and make sure that Will is added to this email. Here, I can just paste or type in my message. And next, I'm going to click the paperclip icon so I can add the file, in this case, the product catalog. And as you can see, Odoo adds the email to the chatter, everything you need from notes, email updates, all kept in one place. To ensure these notes are fully internal, I can click this log notes button. It's perfect for internal messages that only team members can view. So we're going to go ahead and click the log note button, and here I can notify Jose by tagging him. And I'll type in my message, which is just Will prefers email over phone calls. And then when I click log, the note appears in the chatter and Jose is automatically notified. Any other internal followers who are also subscribed to notes will see this. The log note feature is ideal for private team-only communication. And if I ever need to make changes, I can hover over the note, click the edit button, or I can even click this 3 dots button, which will give me the ability to forward this message, copy a direct link to this message, or I can even delete it altogether. In the chatter, we can also schedule meetings, calls, emails, to-dos, and more, all from this activities button right here. It's directly linked to the Odoo Calendar app, so everything stays perfectly in sync. We do cover this in more detail in our schedule activities video. I'll go ahead and link that down below so you can easily view it after. But that's a wrap. Today we explored how the chatter keeps every update and message tied to its record. Its clean, intuitive layout makes it easy for your whole team to stay aligned and jump right back in at any time. Be sure to check out our other tutorials, and until then, thanks for watching, Odooers.